Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about some fan clutch tools right here. These are for the BMW. I got these straight from the dealer and I went to the parts department and I ordered it. And this tool right here, it has a couple of numbers on it. Right here, this is like a number 24. This is for the fan clutch, the Viscon fan clutch. It'll tell you right here. It says M101022A like Apple, BMW Viscon fan nut wrench. Okay, this is not 24, this is 32 millimeter, right? 32 millimeter. Alright, that's what it looked like. It's like one big fat wrench, and that's all it is. And they come as a set. Alright, you probably can buy it separately if one gets damaged. I'm not sure about that, but you do need both of them. Right after this video, I will put a little clip on how I worked on this X5 right here. I changed the water pump on it, and I needed to take out the fan clutch with the fan short together. And this little guy, these two little screws right here, they go into the bolt of the water pump pulley, and then you're able to grab it with this and turn it. Alright, on the opposite side you have one hole here, and the other one is like a little slot, because some BMWs have a bigger pulley, smaller pulley, so the nut, the two bolts are in a different position. Alright, but you could grab them just like that, and that will hold the water pump down, and then you could turn it with this. Alright, because if you just use this, the whole thing is going to turn with it. Alright, anyways, the part number on this is M101022B like boy, BMW pulley holder. Right, that's what this is called. So pulley holder and fan nut wrench right here. Right, so that's what you're looking at right there. You are gonna need this if you're working on BMWs, and you should try to go to the dealer, get one of these. They sell it on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. You can check that out. Alright, you can buy it straight from there. They have different ones. Alright, there's some just two, there's a set of others. Just to let you know, this is the 06 X5, right? The bolts on the pulley did not evenly match up over here, right? So all I did was grab one, and when I turned it, the pulley turned and it stopped itself. Both of the bolts did not fit on there, right? So even though I got this, it didn't work the way I wanted it, but it's a good tool to have, alright? But I'm not saying it's a bad tool, even though it didn't work, but you're gonna need it. Alright, I don't do a lot of BMWs, I do work on them. Alright, and if somebody comes and a good customer of mine, this guy comes from almost like 80 miles away, so any big job he just sends it to me. Alright, so his water pump leak, I'll post a video link, not a link, a clip right after this video. Just about now I'm about to do that, and you will see how I use this on this BMW. Without this, I couldn't do the job. Right, so stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about anything, doesn't have to be about the job or the tool, about the job I did on this or the tool. It could be anything, check engine, anything. Alright guys, so stay tuned to watch that clip, and bye bye, and I will see you on the next one. Alright, right down here guys, you have the fan clutch. Watch this pump. Look at this pump. I can't get my light and the camera at the same time, alright? But let me see if I can put it right here, and then we could take a look at this little guy. Alright? It's turbo. Yeah, it is turbo. Alright, that's better right there. Watch this. You see that? Look at that pump. It's pretty much done, alright? This little guy is done. And this little bolt, I did not loosen that bolt. I don't even know why that bolt is loose, alright? So somebody must have been there before me. But anyways, the pump itself is broken, bad, alright guys? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tool and I'm going to put this in the bolt, alright? Right there. I'm going to hold the bolt with this, and I'm going to break the tightness of this guy. Alright guys, just like that. And it should be pretty simple, just like this. Alright, let me see if I can move. My light is about to fall, and it did fall. Alright, if I put this light right here, that looks really good right there. Alright, so the bolt is held in, everything is held in, and just yank it really hard. There you go guys. I got this fan clutch loose. All right, so the strut and the fan clutch is gonna come up together, guys. So that wasn't too much force that I had to put on it. So anyways, so next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this fan strut. I did disconnect this little guy right here. All right, I disconnected this little guy right here. I'm sorry about the light and everything. Did this, so it's out of the way. All right, I'm not gonna be taking off any of the pipes yet. If I need to, I will, but let me go step by step. All right.